Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? So, Tyler Chase, an actor out in Hollywood, child Nickelodeon actor who had done so many television shows, the one of which I was at with him, Everybody Hates Chris, has been seen homeless in California, and it has been really, really sad. Only 36 years old. And it's just been so heartbreaking, so heartbreaking, so sad, because when you see somebody so successful and doing all of these wonderful things, I think, you know, walking the streets homeless, disheveled, unkept, I think is the lowest of low, so to speak. And a lot of people came together, and some of those that cared for him came together so that they could do a GoFundMe. And his mother said absolutely not, that they should not do that because it wasn't going to help him and he would only just waste the money. There are a couple of things one said here. He said, how does a former Nickelodeon star end up homeless picking up cigarette butts up at Christmas? Footage of an unrecognizable Tyler Chase left fans heartbroken. Once a regular kid from Arizona who got his break in the Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide, but his poetry revealed a dark reality. So Tyler Chase looking old, and that's what will happen when you are malnutritioned and you are taking drugs. But as far as I am concerned, a lot of this, I feel, is mental health. When somebody is mentally unwell, bipolar, they don't even know what they're doing. And I don't blame the mother. The mother did as much as she could with as much as she had. I think that it's just sad. I lived in California for 10 years and I saw homelessness every day. And it was always sad because you could see a little bit of life left in their eyes, and the people that they were once before had gone. No matter what you do, that life has gone. And I think that's what's sad, because that's how we remember them. You know, when somebody passes away, it's a personal choice. Some people don't mind to look into the coffin and some don't. Some want to remember them as they were. And that's just what it is. We remember them the way that they were, not the way that they are now. And I think that a lot has to be done now to take care of those that are mentally unwell. Mentally unwell. That's just what it is. We have a comment here. Listen to his mother. This one says, having a child who is addicted is devastating and takes a specific way of reacting to try and help them once they've crossed that line. If she's saying, don't just hand him cash, don't. You'll likely partake in him killing himself on accident. People making a press tour out of helping him is really disturbing me. I pray his situation turns his life around and does not cause him to be completely destroyed. Another comment. The parents not helping him the way that they should have helped him instead. They probably took all of his money he made from Nickelodeon, then let his ass go crazy the mine, especially after losing his talent and not being able to do more movies. And they probably just sucked him dry and pushed him to the side, like all the little stars that came up. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate because these are comments, but you don't know. Anyway, we had one of his friends who also worked with him, Daniel Curtis Lee, sought him out. And they got him a hotel room, they got him food, they got him everything that he would need.
A lot of you guys are concerned about Tyler Chase this holiday season, and I just wanted to give you an update. Sean Weiss and his team put a lot of effort into trying to get him into a hospital last night, and I thought it worked. His dad told me it worked, but it turns out he kind of backed out. So today I went to have pizza with him. It was delicious. Shout out Blaze Pizza.
Yeah. Cheese, you can have the cheese and And now that's the way you eat a pizza right there. That's the way.
I also got to let him chat with his old friend Devin Werkheiser, my guy Nettie. So they couldn't get him into a car last night, and that's why they weren't able to get him to the hospital. But he trusted an old friend. Yeah, it's the holiday season. It's rainy out, and I just wanted him to have at least some basic accommodations. He wanted to stay local, and this was the only one that was open and accepting people. So here we are, man.
I'm going to come back and holler at you, man, and we'll talk more about trying to get that situation squared away so we can do the rehab or whatever we need to, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Give me a hug, man. Love you, brother. Love you, man.
Too.
So happy to see you, dude.
Thank you. I'm so happy to see you as well.
You're the man, brother, and I believe in you, and we're going to win, bro. All we got to do is stay with it and keep working, dude.
This is a very fresh update, and that's why I'm doing this episode. Listen to what he has to say.
The hotel situation, we got Tyler shelter. Hooray. Everyone's happy. Tyler's happy. Not the case, guys. We got him into the hotel, and just that night, I receive a call from management. They're upset. The door is left open. Why is there a microwave in the tub? The refrigerator's turned over. I just feel so devastated. I am at a loss. And his family told me that they had tried the hotel thing before and it didn't work. And of course, Dan, why did you assume that you were going to be able to, just fix this situation? A third party should be able to get someone into treatment, get them a psychological evaluation to figure out what is going on and allow them to detox. There's no reason that his family should not be able to get him help. I'm really feeling devastated here. Do not just take the plug and abandon my boy. The 31st, all right, that's coming up soon, right? He'll be out of food soon. Please stay with him. Provide him a safe haven there at that facility. He loves your pizza.
You know what shocks me? We have Wendy Williams, who is in a conservatorship. And then you have Tyler running the streets. Is it because he doesn't have any money or he's not worthy? I want to understand. Is it because he has no money? So that means that the poor get poorer and the rich get richer, even in sickness and in health. Because I love what Daniel Curtis did. But Daniel Curtis, again, is not a therapist. That was not what Tyler needed. Tyler has been on the streets for how many years? Why would you think he knew how to function on his own in a quiet room by himself, when he has been living on the streets and he has been hearing outside noises for how many years and been able to sleep? That's what comforts him. He should be in a psych ward. He should be supervised. He should be medicated, transitioned from one to the other so that he can dry out. That's going to take money. So what happens to these people that take drugs? That's just the only way that I look at it. Giving him food, giving him a place to stay, where the silence becomes the biggest noise. How was he supposed to survive under those conditions on his own? You're forgetting he has not lived a normal life for maybe well over a decade. I did Everybody Hates Chris in 2007. That's 18 years ago. 19, because we're hitting 2026. That's 19 years ago. That's when I left. I've been married, 17 years? So, that's the last time he did anything. And he was having problems even then. So, for sure, for the last 10 years, guaranteed, he's been on the streets, taking God knows what. And that's another thing. My beautiful Fumi nation, don't take drugs. Don't take it. Don't take drugs to escape from your problems, because you're only creating more problems for yourself. Don't do it. Because you can end up like Tyler or worse. And there's only so much your family can do. And if you have other family members, there's only so much that they're going to do for you, because they've got to take care of the brother and the sister and the other kids. Life is tough. It is. Don't take the easy way out, because more often than not, that's the hardest way out. It's the hardest way out. And when I say out, I mean check out. Don't do it. It's not worth it. And when it comes to mental health, we have to have better facilities. Better facilities. Because this is just sad. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and drop it down in the comments. All of my love.